Hi there. I know we've been talking a lot about grandmas and mamas and things that they used to do years ago. And so I wrote down some of the things that my grandma used to do, and I'm going to share them with you. So here we go. Grandma used old towels until they became cleaning cloths. And then she would take the towel and give it to Granddaddy. Granddaddy would take it to a shop or to a lawnmower or whatever, tear them up, so he could use bits and pieces of them, and that got rid of them out of the house. And Grandpa had towels to use, so that's what she did with those. All right, here's another one that I wrote down. Grandma only had one good set of china. You know, today we've got dishes that match Christmas and Thanksgiving and Easter and Americana dishes and all kinds of dishes. But Grandma only had one set, and she used them every Sunday. So she didn't put them back in the cabinet to wait until a special occasion. Every day was a special occasion to them back in those days. All right, number 3. Grandma kept every rubber band that came with the newspapers. You know, the newspaper back then, the newspaper man would come on his car early in the morning, 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, and roll his window down and pitch the newspaper out the window, and it was always bound up with a rubber band. Well, Grandma didn't throw them away; she kept them. And lots of times they were on the doorknobs, wherever she happened to be when she opened the paper up. She stick it on the doorknob. So that was nice. You always had a rubber band. All right, number 4. The plastic bags that bread comes in, loaf bread, Grandma kept those bags because you never knew when you needed a bag. And back then, they didn't have Ziploc bags and freezer bags and storage bags and all kinds of different bags, how you close them and all that. They used leftover loaf bread bags. And so, and with that, she could take a rubber band and bind it up together, and therefore she had a plastic bag. All right, number 5. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, and to finish this up for today, when anybody had a loose button, Granddad would say, I've got a button that popped off or was loose or whatever. Grandma did not put it in a pile to do later. Grandma got her thread and needle out and went and fixed Granddaddy's shirt. So there was no procrastination back then. Everything was done when it needed to be done. Okay, those are 5 tips or 5 little stories that I like to tell about Grandma and Grandpa. So I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, bye.